What's up YouTube, it's SRT Sky. I got another video for y'all today. I'm going to be debadging my Scatpack, pulling the decals off, I'm going to be taking off basically the TA, and basically the stripe going all the way to the back, and the 392. Sorry my car is dirty, but yeah, I am going to be getting some new badges for my car. That is basically what I'm going to be doing today. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get you put on the head strap. I'm gonna try and record with the GoPro as much as possible, basically until it dies. That way I can use both my hands and y'all can basically see what I'm doing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this car started and move it a little closer to the house. Because for this video I'm gonna be using a hair dryer to basically heat up the decal to make it a little easier to pull it off. So yeah. Alright, so I think the train gone bad. As y'all can see, I went ahead and I started right here, and I did that without the blow dryer, so that basically lets me know that, alright, so with the blow dryer, it's basically gonna be a breeze. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and see how this works with the blow dryer, and I'll see if I want to time lapse this for y'all. I'm probably look stupid as hell with that mirror. I'm just pulling really slow, because if you pull too tight like I did there, and then it just coming apart, and I'm trying to keep it all in one piece, so I ain't trying to peel it up too much. Oh, yep, just like that. Alright. So yeah, that was actually pretty easy. Yeah, it didn't take that long at all. And basically, it's just this whole stripe TA 392. So I feel like it should take me about an hour. I'll get to y'all when I'm making a little bit of progress. Bruh. Paint. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but no, I'm not scratching my paint. I'm not scratching it. What I'm doing is I'm just basically getting my fingernail up under it and pulling up and slowly pulling it back to lift it off the paint. And the heat is basically helping it do that, so it's not peeling off into a million pieces. So this is why I really recommend a heat gun or hair dryer, whatever you got at the moment. So yeah, let's get right back to it. already looking a lot better. Man, yeah, I can't wait to get this off. Bro, it looks so much better already without 392 in that stripe. Like, it looks like a whole new car now. But yeah, where you can see where it's like the sticker stuff, I'm just gonna get some Goo Gone after I get the other side, and of course just wipe that down to get the sticker residue off. I'm gonna go ahead and get that other side done. I'll see y'all whenever I'm finished with that side. Man, now y'all look at the transformation. I had some decal right here. I ended up taking that off because I really just like the black hood look. But yeah, y'all check this out. I know my car's a little dirty. I'm still gonna be wiping off the residue. I just wanted to show y'all that finished product. It looks so much better without the decals, in my opinion. I ended up taking the chrome Dodge lettering off the back right here, and I'm gonna clean that off. And I plan on putting my own badge back here too. And then of course, can't do one side and not do the other. So yeah, I know my car is extremely dirty, like, but just look at that sparkle. It's so much better looking. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I do got a lot of funny videos planned. I might do a debadging trolling, so I might go ahead and do that video. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all.